We just arrived yesterday and just woke up right now here at Lopez Quezon, exactly Las Villa by Las Juan.
The place is visible. It took us 4.5 hours to get there.
By the look of the place, it is warm. It is a Balinesian style architecture, touch roofing with lots of ambient lighting. Also maganda yung pool.
Pool's pretty straightforward, ranging from 2 feet to 5 feet. Nag-enjoy talaga kami kasi napapaligiran kami ng plants and also the villa that shades up the pool. Hindi
Maganda yung ambience and definitely worth the travel. Kahit gaano ka layo, kahit gaano ka bumpy ride, and kahit gaano kainit ang biyahe, super sulit talaga. All of the corners inside the resort is ramble worthy. Napaka sa ramble lahat na makikita mo lahat dito sa resort. And according to Sandy, kay Lasuan, yung mga plants na ginamit nila dito is mga tropical plants which is less maintenance at dali palakihin at ang dali i-maintain. The likable things, ang pinaka gusto namin dito sa resort is aside from good staff and good customer service, ayos yung facility for over 4 years na-maintain nila ng maayos yung facility. Yun nga, sabi ko, Las Villa. Sabi mo kasi resort. Okay na, resort naman tawag dito Hindi ba villa? Hindi, kasi Las Villa. Resort pa rin to kasi meron kang pool Anyway, upon entrance, hindi pala kayo allowed mag-park sa loob. Meron tayong designated parking sa may labas, which you can cover your car kung may dala man kayong sedan or crossover or may dala kayong SUV or pickup truck. After entering the resort, makikita nyo ang isang area which is a receiving area. Sa tabi, meron silang rules na kailangan mong ihabilin yung iyong footwear, patos, nakatsinelas. Habilin mo dyan and ibigyan kinila ng separate footwear. And from the past, meron sila kasing rule na inalter which is kailangan mo barefoot dito sa loob ng resort kasi grounding para mas connected to nature ka and also if meron ka pinagdadaanan, mas mahil ka at mas relax. So pagka-enter mo at nabigyan ka ng tsinelas, you will be greeted by their pool. Sobrang ganda at hindi lang siya basta sa mga video, sa mga vlog or sa mga photos na nakikita mo sa Instagram, it is real. Well preserved yung kanilang pool, malinis as always. And also when you go to the right side, doon naman mo makikita yung mga accommodations like itong kinuha namin which is the king's room. Included sa loob nun is meron ka ng fan, hindi siya aircon. Okay kang queen size bed and also it can accommodate 2 to 4 packs kasi pwede kang magdagdag ng pull up mattress. And on the other side, meron kang makikitang accommodation like this bunk bed na can accommodate to 6 packs. It is aircon, fully airconned. Pwede na yung 2 bunk beds and pwede pa mag-add yung mattress. For more information, mag-bar lang kayo sa page ng Las Villa. Okay? Another thing na nagustuhan namin dito sa resort or sa Las Villa is mabango. Every corner of the resort or the accommodation or the villa is may mga scent diffuser ng mga it's either Shangri-La ang maamoy mo and also pagpasok mo sa room mo meron silang bango scent na aside from that what we like about this place is yung customer service. Ang entering pa lang tinanong na kami kung anong klaseng music ang gusto namin, so we highly appreciate that. Sabi namin is yung medyo chill, medyo relaxing. So nagpapatugtog sila ng mga bossa nova and slow jazz. Okay, another thing that we like about this place is this is highly secured. Kasi may mga CCTV area tayo na nakakalat. Though wala naman silang gaano security kasi wala kang mababantayan halos. Kasi this is a fully remote place. Medyo liblib and yung safety ay mararamdaman mo na lang kasi kahit naman nung gabi bukas kasi yung main pintuan dito wala nangyari. So, may mga CCTV na nakakalat sa amang area. Another thing that we like about this place is yung food. Napakasarap ng food from the pork grill, lempo. Sarap siya, masarap yung timpla. And also malambot yung karne, malambot yung taba. Masarap din yung ensalading talong. The mixture is very refreshing kasi parang ginawa namin siyang siya dun sa real pork. Medyo mataba pero ay habol siya ng pork yung ensalada na merong maalat na itlog and merong mga other garnish like also yung maalat na itlog nila dito is hindi ganong kaalat, sakto lang. Yung bagang hinahanap namin sa isang maalat na itlog, nakuha naman niya. And also yung juice namin, like mango shake, okay siya. Wala siyang other sweetener other than the mango and the milk. Parang pinaghalo nila and nakaka-refresh ito sobra. And also itong cucumber lemonade, also sakto rin yung lasa. May pagkamaasim siya kasi lemonade naman siya eh. At the other hand, meron siyang cucumber bits na nilagay nila sa loob to make it more refreshing. It cleans out our palate. At the same time, napansin din namin na nagsaserve sila ng mineral water instead of criminal water. Kasi mas maganda nga talaga mag-serve nun kasi ay, alam naman natin hindi safe ang tap water dito sa Philippines. So, okay yun. Good sa amin yun.
So kinabukasan, pinag-serve kami ng pre-breakfast. As you can see, ito ay parang brewed coffee na brewed nila sa loob ng Los Villa. And nag-enjoy kami sa meal. Ito yung tapsilog nila with itlog na maalat. And also thank you kay Kuya Angel for pouring out the coffee. Ito naman yung long silog nila. Both are enjoyable at napakasarap ng aming breakfast with a cucumber on the side, sinangag, so perfect. Same shape pa rin nung sa dinner namin.
So overall, yung hinahanap talaga namin na place, yung expectation namin sa our place na maghanap ka ng place na to unwind, to relax, and to chill na may nature vibe, nakuha naman ni Los Villa. And sobrang sulit ng aming travel, like may travel from Lucena, mga inabot kami ng 46 hours of travel, pero sobrang sulit. Apik lang, medyo hassle, pero pagdating mo naman dito, sobrang mababawi ng place. If you're going to ask us if we recommend this place, we recommend this place kasi if you're looking for a place na talagang secluded, walang ibang tao, and fortunately nakuha namin kasi itong place, kami lang guest, kaya sobrang blessed namin at sobrang natutuwa kami kasi walang ibang guest, kami lang yung para maingay. And pagkatapos ng dinner, napaka-open ng mga staff sa amin, and they ask for our feedback, how's the food, okay lang ba pagkakaluto, and we highly appreciate that kasi dun sila mabibuild. Nakakwentuhan ka namin yung one of the staff. Shout out to Brian. I wish and I hope na for the future of this place and for the future of the staff, sana mas mag-succeed pa sila. And see you on our next vlog.
Hello. What is your name?